Hey you! I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prachko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. It's time for the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. Today we're going to be talking about milestones, accomplishments, and telling the future. This writing prompt is inspired by the 9 of Pentacles from the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, which you can find linked below. This card represents a woman with a bird upon her wrist, stands amidst a great abundance of grapevines in the garden of a great house. This card also represents messages of abundance, safety, prudence, success, accomplishment, certitude, and discernment, a hidden space or a special space. As spring arrives, we automatically look for its signs and try to forecast a glimpse into our near future with the wishes for a harvest of these little plants that we see right now. What will they bring us in the fall? The birds of the spring remind us with their messages that we must do more than just wish for these things. Now's the time to build the foundation of our dreams, goals, and intentions and get our hands dirty if we haven't started already. No more waiting and wishing. Now is the time for action, or else we'll keep waiting and wishing and never make it to the harvest of our own dreams, goals, and intentions. Break through your walls as the seedlings of spring have. Capture this time of abundance and use it to propel you towards the completion of your goal. Dig in now and tend to the ground that you have already broken, and foster the first shoots of your intentions with mindful actions. What milestone are you about to hit in the near future? What other fruits will come alongside this accomplishment? What are 3 actionable ways you can foster the growth you have already seen on the journey to accomplishing your goal so that you don't lose traction? Now let's get into my personal journal for my private entry for this exact same monthly spirituality journaling prompt. I've realized something about myself in the past month that has created a huge shift in the way that I view myself and understand how my body works right now due to medication. I feel so much more accepting, kind, and less judgmental towards myself. In the very near future, I am going to feel more flexible, happy, and satisfied because of this better understanding. And with that will come more compassion for myself and others as it ripples out into the community. The 3 things that I'm doing to further my growth thus far and to keep going are: number 1, get to sleep on time so I can have an abundance of morning quiet time to work on myself and my goals. Number 2, practice compassion in action. Number 3, keep executing my plan and check off the boxes as they come due. So what was your answer to this month's prompt? If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts, get my book, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. Order your copy today. The link is in the description. And if you like tarot cards and journaling, get my book, The Daily Tarot Journal, Uncovering the Art of the One-Card Tarot Reading. It includes 3 monthly overview spreads, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 writing prompts, and 3 end-of-the-month reviews. Order your copies of both journals today. The link is in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. If you've missed some of the past monthly spirituality journaling prompts, you can check out the resource library, which is brand new on the Owls and Indigo website. Check it out. The link is down below. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!